everyone, it's Gianna at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super exciting update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in the use cases of blockchain technology around the world. Today, specifically in the Philippines. I actually have some family in the Philippines. I've never been there before though, but hello from New York City if you happen to be watching. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Peter Nirop tweeted, "Today visited the regenerative project that's teaming up with the Cardano Forest Bohol to restore native forests in Bohol, the Philippines. Wow, these trees, miracle fruits, and the stunning view. We had such a productive meeting." You can check out some video footage here. Cardano Forest Bohol is a site where they grow native trees. It's a former coconut farm, but it was severely damaged due to a full hit by a Category 5 typhoon. That typhoon was named Odette. According to Peter, he's going to use the Cardano blockchain to restore this forest. Peter also tweeted, "I decided to go start planting trees, and soon we'll launch tree coins. With this people, I can donate trees for restoring native forests while at the same time earning money from wood production at other sites. Not really building on the chain, but more kind of using it. Definitely looking forward to this token, and I can't wait to watch this forest grow." Let me know what you think though in the comments below. Where else would you like to see projects like these? And how else would you like to utilize the Cardano blockchain? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who know this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!